Hello, my dear student. How are you? I hope all of you are happy and healthy. So, dear student, as you can see, we are going to study direct and indirect speech. In the previous video, we have learnt the definition of direct and indirect speech and the basic information related to direct and indirect speech. Okay, dear. In the previous video, we have started assertive sentence. Okay, and I have taught you how to change a direct speech into indirect speech. So let's continue the video and learn the process how to change an a direct sentence into indirect speech. Let's see. So very first, let's see rules for changing in a reporting verb. Okay, dear, rules for changing reporting verb. So, dear, I have mentioned the concept here. When there is an object after reporting verb, then we make following changes in reporting verbs. Okay, dear. So, I mean to say, suppose that you have a sentence and just after the reporting verb there is any object. So, in that case the reporting verb will change. So, what changes occurs? Let's see. So, I have mentioned two parts. The first one direct speech and second one indirect speech. Suppose that in direct speech you have the word say to. You have the word say to. So, in that case when you change the sentence into indirect speech, the word say to will change into tell. Okay. Suppose that you have says to, then says to will change into tells, and when you have said to, then the word said to will change into told. Okay, dear. Okay. Suppose that I have example. Anamika said to me. So, student, that part Anamika said to me, that part is the reporting verb. You have torn my book, that is the reported speech. I have told you already in the previous classes. Okay. Now see, in that sentence Anamika, that is the subject, and said to, that is the reporting verb, and me, that is the object. Okay, dear. So, when you change the sentence into indirect speech, so you will write Anamika. Now see, said to will change into told me, and at the place of inverted comma we use conjunction that. Is it clear? So, I hope you have got the points very well. Okay. Okay, dear. Okay. Now see further. Rules for changing tenses. Okay. Rules for changing tenses. So, let's see how the tenses changes while we change a direct sentence into indirect speech. Let's see. So, suppose that we have two columns. The first one direct speech and the second one indirect speech. Okay. Now see, simple present tense. So, student, suppose that reported speech, okay, is in simple present tense. When you change the sentence into indirect speech, then the sentence will change into simple past tense. Okay, dear. Present continuous will change into past continuous. Present perfect tense will change into past perfect tense. Present perfect continuous will change into past perfect continuous. Okay. All the present tenses will change into past tenses. Okay. Simple present, simple past. Present continuous, past continuous. Present perfect, past perfect. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. Okay, dear. I hope you have got these 4 points very well. Now see past tense, changing in the past tense. So, dear, in past tense only 2 tenses change. The first one simple past and past continuous tense, and the other 2 past perfect and past perfect continuous does not change. Okay, it takes no changing. Now see, simple past will change into past perfect, past continuous will change into past perfect continuous, and as I have told you, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense do not change. Okay, past perfect will change into past perfect and past perfect continuous in past perfect continuous as usual. Okay, okay dear, now see some example. I have mentioned some example for you. Okay, so let's understand it with example. First example, Monica said, I have completed my work. Okay dear, now see, in that sentence, Monica said, this is the reporting verb, and I have completed my work, this is the reported speech. And you can see Monica is the subject and said is the reporting verb, and after reporting verb there is no object. So in that case you cannot change the reporting verb said into told, you cannot change. Okay, because until we have object before with the reporting verb. Okay, we cannot change reporting verb into told, tell and tells. Okay, so let's see Monica, I have mentioned very first Monica, reporting verb as it, said, and at the place of inverted comma we use conjunction that. Okay, now see, I is the first person, and you know first person pronoun change according to the subject of reporting verb. So I will change according to Monica, so that is why I have mentioned she at the place of I. So I will change into she, and you know have plus third form of the verb. So dear, have plus third form of the verb represent present perfect tense, and I have told you present perfect tense will change into past perfect tense. So that is why have will change into had. Okay, so that is why I have mentioned here had completed. Now see, my is the first person pronoun, so it will change according to the subject, and subject is Monica. Now see, my is the possessive case, so what is the possessive case of Monica? So it will change into her. Okay, her work. Okay dear, now see the second example. Jaya said, I am learning English. I am learning English. Now see, Jaya is the speaker, and there is again no object, so said will not change. Jaya said at the place of inverted comma that. Now see, I first person, so I will change according to subject Jaya, so Jaya will change into she. And now see am, so student is mr will change into was and were. Okay, so that is why I have changed she was learning English. Okay dear, now see point number third. He said to her, he said to her. Okay, he said to her, my mother went to market. Okay, now see he, now see there is said to, so said to will change into told. She told her that my, that is the first person, so it will change according to the subject he, and my is a possessive case, so he will change into his. So his mother had. Now see, went is the second form, and second form tells us, second form used in simple past tense, so simple past tense will change into past perfect tense. So had gone, that is the past perfect tense. Okay, had gone to market. Now see the fourth one. Mona said to me, I had paid my fee. Now see, Mona, that is the subject, said to me is the object, so in that case said to will change into told. Mona told me that I is the first person, so it will change according to the subject. Subject is Mona, so at the place of I we have to write she had. Now she had plus third form of the verb, that is past perfect tense, and you know past perfect tense does not change, so had paid her fee. Okay dear. Okay, I hope you have got these all points very well. Now see one more point, rules for changing in modal verbs. So dear, modal verbs also changes. So here direct speech and here indirect speech. Suppose that in direct speech you have modal verb can, so can will change into could, and may will, might, will, it change into would, and shall will change into should. Okay. Now see example, my brother said to me, I can solve your problem. Now see, my brother told me that I will change according to the subject, and he, that is the subject my brother, so my brother will change into he. Now see, can will change into could, solve my problem. Okay, one more example, Piyush said my parents will celebrate my birthday. So in that sentence Piyush said. Now see, there is no object, that is why I have not changed the verb said into told. Okay, Piyush said, at the place of inverted comma that is used, that my, that is the first person, it will change according to subject, and subject is Piyush, so you will change Piyush into his parents. Now see, will, okay, this is the will, and I have told you will change into would, so that is why his parents would celebrate his birthday. Okay dear, so I hope you have got these all points very well. So dear, you have to note these all points in your fair copy. Okay, and revise the topics. If you have any problem, you can message me.